every project in the system here, we also make it so that you can click directly into that project and get detailed information about that project health, its task statuses, margin, and the people that are working on that, and even compare what's been invoiced to what's been input. And don't worry, we get you this information at a more granular level as well, because all of your tasks and work breakdown structures will be stored in the system here at the same time. You're able to easily come in and establish those budgets, start due dates, and task assignments directly in the system. This allows your project managers to build and create these projects and track their health while making sure that the people working on it know that they're assigned to the project and the task. Once a project has been created and set up, it immediately appears in our timesheet to start logging our hours and even start tracking expenses against this. All you've got to do is come in here and find the project that you're working on, select that task from the work breakdown structure that you've just created, log your hours, make sure you're taking very good notes, and hit save here. So we submit our hours directly into our approval process, where your project managers or people managers can deal with the hours that they're responsible for and make sure that before this ends up on a client bill, you will know that this particular time entry has been approved. Once we go ahead and approve those hours, that flows directly into our invoicing tool. The invoicing tool here allows you to consolidate all of the billing data that you need to quickly and efficiently close out your billing cycles and get those invoices sent out to your clients at whatever cadence that you operate in. To create invoices here in BigTime, all you've got to do is dive into your work in progress, find the project that you're working on, hit create selected invoice, and using our various billing styles, you can make sure that you are charging that customer based on the specific billing needs for the contract that's been agreed upon. Here we are subtotaling this by phase. Let's finalize that. And as this pulls up, we'll notice that everything looks good and we've got all the requisite detail we need to make sure this client gets a check back to us. I'll then go ahead and ship this out to my client and post this on over to my general ledger. And from there, I can go ahead and track that directly in our AR aging to make sure that we can stay on top of our collections and know which clients we need to reach out to get those payments in. Now that we've got our projects created, time tracked, and billing handled, we also want to point out that we want to be providing you detailed information on your firm, your projects, and your staffers, and allow you to create various different visual dashboards focused around their key performance indicators. So all the information you're entering in BigTime is kicking you out information that you can use to make proactive decisions about your business and track trends over time for how your firm is doing. I can easily come in and get firm-wide reports, I can get task-level detail reports, or I can use this to do things like track current margin on a project and client basis and make sure that the projects that I'm working on are profitable for my firm. And I'll be able to see where and when those client project margins are falling below expectations and open up our projects here to make those changes and adjustments as needed. BigTime touches all areas of your business, and we want to make sure that we can get it stood up quickly for you and configured specifically to your use case.